Dude, what type of music? Good question. All.
It's a good one.
All the music.
Oh, that's a great question. Well, let's go down the line. What do you...
Mike only listens to metal, hardcore metal, metalcore,
let him tell about his music.
So, literally from front to back of the shop.
This is an argument.
Literally from front to back of the shop.
Here it comes.
There's different music playing. So, literally as we walked in today, Guy was listening to...
Mozart. Wagner. Flight of the Valkyries.
Literally Flight of the Valkyries today. Guy listens to classical piano music for the most part. Nathaniel here, it can change from Taylor Swift to Skater Boy to...
Wait, what?
Oh, sorry. You were listening?
No, I wasn't. Somebody put a comment in there and it just
jarred you a little bit?
Someone...
Why don't you explain to the people what you listen to up front?
Oh, someone...
Dr. Disrespect has new singles out.
Red Skies on repeat for
Dr. Disrespect, Red Skies. That's what Nathaniel listens to for an hour on repeat.
Okay, only on live day. It's to get my guys pumped up. So... I don't even know why I try anymore.
No, it's Scandinavian, Wardruna, drum music, chanting. He listens to a lot of Motorhead, old school rock and roll, outlaw rock and roll.
Waylon Jennings. But I'll also fire up some retro synthwave that is just that 80s.
Daniel Deluxe, man.
Daniel Deluxe. But
what about you?
Old punk rock too. So Misfits.
I have a playlist that's available for anyone to follow on Spotify called Pig Squeal Death March.
Yeah, Mike likes the pig squeal.
It's farm noises to breakdowns and blast beats. But no, I listen to everything. In the back, we're typically rocking video game soundtracks. We listen to a lot of piano music too. There's a local guy. I found out he's local. Brian Crane.
Oh yeah,
piano and violin duets. I had no clue he was a local, but he's literally from here. I love that guy. String music we love. Nobuo Uematsu, the guy that plays, he's a world class pianist. He did the soundtrack for Final Fantasy games, Final Fantasy VII.
Dude, Earth Coker, the Ori soundtrack.
The Ori soundtracks,
Zelda soundtracks, but Dropkick Murphys. Let's talk about punk rock. Wild Buffalo.
Yeah. Cro-Mags.
Dude, who did we go see with the Wild Buffalo? It was who was the other great guys? Oh man, I can't.
Flogging Molly.
Flogging Molly, yeah, great band.
Yeah, Flogging Molly was insane.
We went to see them in Spokane, and that was one of our favorite shows.
But we also listened to hardcore. We listened to We Butter the Bread with Butter. Shout out to Germany.
We butter the bread with butter. Look them up on Spotify. You will be disappointed. But maybe not.
And I listen to a lot of stuff. I don't know. I listen to everything that these guys listen to.
Dude, Adam,
I listen to
Von Campen. She's amazing. She actually mentions Coeur d'Alene in I think 2 of her songs. Sorry, go ahead.
Douglas.
Like Coulter Wall.
Coulter Wall.
Older stuff like Tom Waits.
I've
listened to a lot of Tom Waits lately.
Tom Waits classics.
Wardruna. If you're in a warlike mood.
Falkenbach.
Falkenbach.
German
one-man
folk
show.
metal. One-man show.
Yeah.
Falkenbach.
And,
Opeth.
Swedish.
Shout out Gothenburg.
Yeah.
I personally really like Ruby Haunt.
Yeah, what was the other one?
Ruby Haunt's a little bit like synthy, a little bit 80s,
Job for
like
a Cowboy.
What was that gal you were listening to for a long time?
Molly Bird.
Molly Bird.
Really soft female vocals, classical style.
She's great.
Who guessed Job for a Cowboy?
I don't know who Corey Boyd is, but you just won points.
Atonement of the Machine, man.
Job for a Cowboy.
Oh, yeah.
Atonement of the Machine.
London Grammar is up there. I would put her kind of, well, it's an English band, but they're kind of that Molly Birch vibe.
Tyler and I, when we're in the back room, we're huge Tool fans. So Tool gets played, A Perfect Circle gets played. Not super keen on the blasphemies in some of their music, but other than that, their music is pretty great. The composition's just absolutely top notch, though.
Duke Garwood is one of my favorites.
Dude, that's a good one too. Yeah.
Duke Garwood's
more bluesy style.
Yeah, and I listen to a lot of I also listen to a lot of like Russian folk music, Ukrainian folk like Daka Braka and those kind of people.
Classical pop and rock, pig squeal, classic rock. That's how the genre goes.
I love a lot of classic rock too. I'll play all the old stuff from the Stones and the Creedence. And
we started designing a Craft and Lore playlist actually.
We did on Spotify.
We
and
did.
It's more like bluesy rock, White Stripes,
Newgrass,
Nathaniel Ratliff, Newgrass, like the Dead South. We're still trying to decide if we're gonna make it public, but now that we just kind of made it public,
yeah, maybe we should.
Yeah,
a lot of good new rock and bluegrass.
When it's just Mike and I though, it's usually the big
Adam
squeals,
knows
just
that
clear.
Mike listens to Adele for sure.
I sing like Adele, dude. Seriously,
He does.
I'm a songbird of my generation.
A voice of an angel. Thanks for watching our live stream highlights. You can join us next time if you hit subscribe and get notified. You can also follow our Instagram or join our Facebook group, The Craft and Lore Lounge. Thanks, guys. We'll see you out there.